In this video we're going to take a look at the 10C Pro from Sena Bluetooth communication. What's up, TMers? If you are new here, I'm Andrew, this is Touring Midwest, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the Sena 10C Pro. Now this is an updated model to a previous model that they had, the Sena 10C, and that was very popular, and this is just a better version of that. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in the box. This is going to be Bluetooth communication and camera built in. So whether you're a YouTuber wanting to get good quality video and audio for your YouTube channel, or you just want to record parts of your epic motorcycle trip, this is going to be a very good way to go because everything's built in here. You just have to install it on your helmet and you're good to go. But let's just get it open. It's like they say, the best knife to use in any situation is the knife that you have with you at the time. And I've been ice fishing a little bit, so here's a fillet knife. Sena's packaging always looks very clean, professional, just really nicely done. So with this you're going to get Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity. It's all in a unibody form, so it's all built in together. You're going to get 125 degree field of view. The lens is adjustable up to 30 degrees. You get Bluetooth connectivity for up to 1.6 kilometers. I'll put right here what that is in miles. And you'll get 4-way intercom. You'll get smart audio mix, which basically means you'll be able to use communication and like MP3 or GPS or whatever at the same time. You get voice prompts. You get completely waterproof in all rainy situations that you might be riding through. You get advanced noise control and music sharing, so you're able to share with other people you're riding with or your passenger if you've got the music playing through the intercom. You can use it while it's charging, so if you're on a long trip and the battery's starting to get low, just plug it in and you're able to use it still. Built-in FM radio, and of course you can use the app from Sena. So pretty well to do there. What we have in the box right off the bat, top shelf, is the Sena 10C Pro unit. Now the first thing about this is it's slightly bigger than like if you're used to the Sena 30K or the Sena 20S. It's a little bit larger unit than that, but it does have the camera built in. The lens is right underneath this cap right here. Looks very clean. You've got the kind of shark fin style antenna like found on the 20S Evo and I believe on the 30K units, although I haven't really inspected the 30K yet because it's sitting in a box right over here. So let's see what else is in here. Open the box further. We've got an instruction book, charger, USB to micro USB cable, and this packet of goodies which we'll get into. Sena always gives you a ton of stuff, like this whole packet of goodies with all their headsets. Some speaker covers that go on the speakers inside your helmet. Some foam pads in case you need to get it a little bit closer to your ears. Got the mic covers and some different adhesive pads here. We've got a 3M mount. So you can actually adhere it to the side of your helmet. You've also got the clip style, so you can clip it onto your helmet. Here's the speakers that go inside your helmet, and then it looks like we've got a couple different mic options. So you can do this little wired mic, and it's a flat mic, so you can put it right in front of your mouth if you would like to. And you've also got the wired boom mic, which you can place wherever you need it to be in your helmet, so it's nice and close to your mouth. In a full face helmet I would use this one right here more than likely. On a modular style helmet, this is the way to go. The wired boom mic is the way to go. If you want any more information on the Sena 10C Pro, let me know down in the comments below. If you've used the original or the Pro, let me know. If you want any other videos like how to update the software for the unit, or how to install it on a helmet, how to pair it with other Sena headsets, etc. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll get some more videos out for it. So that's going to do it for now, you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there as always, and I will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. In this video, we're going to take a look at the tennis. Oofda. If you want any more videos like how to update the software on the tennis. Now, a couple things about the Sena 10C. So a couple things about the Sena 10C Pro. So there you go, guys. That is what's all in the box for the Sena. In this video, we're going to take a look at. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 10C Pro from Sena Bluetooth communication.